Gemini versus ChatGPT. Who is the AI champ? Let's break it down. First up, modality. Gemini is a multitasker at handling text, quotes and images, while ChatGPT sticks to the text only. Number 2, data power. Gemini taps into Google's knowledge graph for real-time information, while ChatGPT relies on its massive training data. Number 3, capabilities. Gemini is a problem solver from writing codes to analyzing images, while ChatGPT excels at creative text formats. Number 4, user experience. Gemini's interface is sleek with quick responses, while ChatGPT is more into traditional chat format. Finally, cost. Gemini is free with a premium option, while ChatGPT has a paid tier for advanced features. So which AI is best for you? Gemini for the versatile or ChatGPT for wordsmith? Choose your AI champion. Let us know your pick into the comment section. Don't forget to follow BeatenX for more such interesting videos.